Girl, I wanna see you twerk. I throw a little money if you twerk. I don't really think you can twerk.
What is up, you guys? It's your girl ARIE and welcome back to my channel. Before we get started into this video, first of all, my hair looks busted and I honestly don't care. I feel like you guys should just take me as I am. First of all, y'all see my bro in the back with the red velvet silky, y'all? Look how wavy he look. I told him let's take a picture. We could go viral, but he ain't with it. My hair look bad, y'all. I'm about to take this out. Anyways, the reason for this video is because I am back with another hair review. This hair company is called Stema Hair. DHL shipped it, of course. And it's a virgin hair company. They have all their contact stuff on the box. You can follow them on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, all that good stuff. They box is pretty and everything. So when you open the packaging, you will get a plastic. And inside this plastic, I see a card, I see 4 flexi rods, and I see hair. Okay. Okay, so let me get this open. How am I? Maybe I'm just slow. What? Oh. Okay. So you get 4 flexi rods, y'all. I have not learned how to do these flexi rods yet. Somebody put me on. Send me a video link somewhere because I need to learn how to do these flexi rods. Because I can't curl for nothing. Every time I try to curl, I burn myself. I know you guys remember when I had like 5 burns on my whole body just from trying to curl my hair. This nigga. Okay. So then you will get a card, like I said, on tips for how to care for the hair. Flat iron, you get a $20 off coupon and all that good stuff.
I'm doing a tutorial in the back for the boys that don't know how to put on a do-rag.
Shut up.
Make sure all of it is wadded out. You don't want to have skinny strings because that means you can't have a girl in your dream.
Yo, get out my video, please. Okay, so I got a 10-inch closure. no, I'm sorry. I'm going to just do that over. I got a 10-inch closure, 14, 10, and 12-inch bundles. Why did I just say that backwards? I feel like the hair is just getting shorter and shorter, but I'm not going to stay short. I want to actually go long. Like, I want to get long bundles. But next time. This time we're going to be talking about this hair. This is the 14-inch bundle. And this is, I believe, deep wave or curly hair. Curly hair? Deep wave? One of them. I'm not sure. But everything will be down below anyway. So. Okay. So when you take it out the thing, the hair is soft. Okay. Does it smell like... It doesn't really smell like anything. It doesn't really... Why do I look so orange? Okay. It doesn't really smell like anything. It smells like, I don't know, it just smells like a little bit of hair glue and water. I don't know. Guys, hold on. I'm mad I came to you guys today looking like this. My edges is not laid. My hair is frizzy. I didn't even comb my hair today. I just threw it in the hood. So, take me as I am, like I said. But yeah, so far, no shedding. The hair is actually soft. No shedding, like I said. I love the curl pattern. I'm not sure this is deep wave. I think this is more like the deep wave I had before didn't look like this. But then again, when you wet it, it always looks different. I love the look it gives when you wet it. Wefts are good. Nice and thick. Like I said, the shorter... Sorry. The shorter, the thicker. The longer, the thinner. It's a fact. And guys, if I sound weird, I'm sick. Put it like that. I have a cold, a sore throat. I don't know what I have. But a girl needs some tea. Now we're gonna go to the closure and see how that closure is looking. I'm gonna put this hair away. So this is the closure.
Look, I got you a Snapchat.
Hey, did you see my hair in the back?
You look like my do-rag.
Yo, I'm mad I came on camera looking like this. I look bad, y'all. That's how y'all know I'm comfortable with y'all. Like, I really banged with y'all. Okay, anyways, this is the closure. I never got a closure this big, meaning like with all this extra lace. That's what's up. closures, like I said, I never got anything this big. And I believe this is a 3-part closure. I see 3 parts in it. Yeah, so I'm guessing this is a 3-part closure. And this is a 10-inch closure. It feels good. I like it. I like it. I feel like I'm gonna really like these curl patterns. Wow, this is short. This is so short, but you know your girl's gonna rock it the way I rock it and do it the way I do it. I'm gonna go ahead and of course pluck it so it can have that fake frontal look. I love closures that look like frontals. Oh my god, I swear to god, I love closures. So far, I'm feeling the hair when it comes to shedding, which is no shedding, and when it comes to smell, which is no smell. It smells like hair glue and water to me, like I said. I don't know if that makes sense. I don't know. For our next video, I don't know what it will be. But you guys, just stay tuned and you'll see. Once again, shout out to Stema Hair for choosing me to review their curly hair. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends and family, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Word around town. I heard this boy was a clown. Swimming your bitch, watch I drown. Call him up for the pounds. Wait, our future years right on my clothes. Bad bitch, yeah, watch it do coke. Broken cell, used to sleep on the floor. I never do it no more. Telling you broke is no joke. I used to kick in that dope. Wait, now I'm selling out the shows.